Klover can temporarily flag an account for suspicious activity when it detects unusual login attempts, device changes, account information changes, or other activity that doesn't match your normal usage. By the end of this video, you'll know why the warning appears, how to restore access safely, and what to do if the security flag doesn't go away. If Klover says it detected suspicious activity, don't keep trying to log in repeatedly. Multiple unsuccessful attempts can trigger additional security checks and may keep your account locked for longer. Instead, read the message carefully to see whether the app is asking you to verify your identity or reset your password. Your next step is to confirm that you're using the correct login credentials. If you can't sign in, use the password reset option inside the app and create a new password that you haven't used before. Once the password has been updated, try signing in again from your usual device. If you recently changed phones, switched mobile carriers, logged in from a new location, or connected through a different network, that change may have triggered the security alert. Complete any verification steps requested by Klover before attempting additional account changes. It's also a good idea to update the Klover app through your device's app store. Security-related bugs and login issues are sometimes resolved in newer app versions. After updating, completely close the app, reopen it, and check whether the warning still appears. If your account includes a linked bank account, avoid removing and reconnecting it unless Klover specifically instructs you to do so. Unnecessary account changes, while a security review is in progress, can make verification take longer. If you receive an email claiming your Klover account has suspicious activity, verify that it came from Klover before clicking any links. If you're unsure, open the Klover app directly instead of following the email and manage your account from there. If the warning remains after you've completed every requested verification step, contact Klover support through the app. Include your account email, a screenshot of the suspicious activity message, your device model, and a description of what happened before the warning appeared. That information helps the support team determine whether the alert was triggered by legitimate security protection or a technical issue. To recap, stop repeated login attempts, complete any identity verification requested by Klover, update the app, and contact support if the security warning doesn't clear. Those steps are the safest way to regain access while protecting your account. If this guide helped you, like the video and subscribe for more Klover troubleshooting tips, security fixes, and app tutorials.